Welcome to this training, guys. How effective is PPC advertising? In short, it is well effective, guys. It's what me and my clients have used to grow our businesses to 6 and 7 figures. Guys, it is not like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. PPC advertising works because you are putting your business in front of people that actually want your services or products and they are searching for them. So this is how effective PPC is. People go to Google, guys, and they will be typing in keywords like insurance, cleaning services, how to fix my roof, or how to buy a bed, right? It doesn't matter what people are using. People use Google all the time. And how effective PPC advertising is very effective because of this one single word, guys: intent. So intent marketing is the most powerful marketing you can do to grow your business to 6 and 7 figures. People come to Google, guys, they type in a keyword, they see your ad, and they will then click your ad and they will go to your landing page where you will then collect that customer's details on your landing page, and that is how effective PPC advertising can be for your business. So think about your business, right? Think about what it is you offer, what it is you do, what is it you sell, and this is how you can get leads, clients, and customers. So you will put your ad on Google and your ad will be shown to people that are actually searching for a solution to a problem. You do not get that on Facebook ads, guys. On Facebook, people are looking after or looking for things, funny images, for example, or videos of cats jumping over fences or people walking around, stumbling around, tripping up, right? People do not go to Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram, or any of those other channels to buy, but on Google, guys, they do. And this is how powerful and effective PPC advertising can be for your business if you structure it the right way. You have to remember, guys, there are billions and billions of searches being done on Google every single day. Just let that thing sink in for a minute, right, guys? So it doesn't matter what you have, what you offer, what your business is, what services, what products, guys. If you get your ad right and you put it on Google in front of people that are searching for what you have to offer, honestly, guys, you will grow and scale your business very, very quickly and very successfully. If you want to learn more about this stuff, guys, there is a free training going on in the description below. Just click that link, goes through a more in-depth free training on this thing and all about PPC and Google. But in the meantime, guys, hit the subscribe button and go and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be putting up loads of free content that's going to really help you and go more in depth to help your business be successful and get new leads, clients, and customers. So I hope this all made sense, guys. In short, PPC advertising works. It really works if you know how to do it the right way. And we have many Google coaching clients of ours that now use Google and PPC advertising, and they have grown their businesses to 6 and 7 figure businesses. So hope you've enjoyed this, guys. Have a good day and see you soon.